Hi. In the next 7 days, I'll show you a really simple way of getting some more peace and quiet in your life. Whether you have stress or anxiety in your life, if you just like to get a more restful sleep, or if you're looking to feel more happiness and joy in your life, meditation will take you there. The practice of meditation shows us how to have a more relaxed state of mind, better awareness to the here and now, and more focus. The even better news is that it's not only effective and healthy, but also very simple and is practiced by millions of people around the world. I'm here to talk you through every step of the way as you learn to meditate, and to welcome more peace, happiness, and focus into your life. So let's begin our very first session. For now, just take a seat somewhere and take a moment to get comfortable. It doesn't matter where you sit, as long as it's comfortable for you. Your chair, couch, or the floor, whatever you are used to. Preferably you are somewhere quiet where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably and just gaze out into the room. Just a soft, natural gaze, even a bit unfocused. And slowly, let your eyes close. Rest your hands anywhere you'd like. It could be on your knees, or cupped gently in your lap, or on the seat at the sides of your body. As you relax, take a few deep breaths, slowly filling your body with air and letting it all out. Deep breaths in and smooth breaths out. Keep breathing comfortably, filling yourself with pure, soft air and allowing any tension and stress to flow out of your body together with each out-breath. As you relax, let your breath come back to normal. Breathe in and out, not trying to change it in any way. Just keeping it soft and natural. As you breathe, just gently focus on your breath. Notice how it feels when air flows gently into your body and out again. Notice how the air feels going into your nostrils and down your throat. How your lungs are expanding and contracting. How your belly rises and then falls again. Follow your breath from your nostrils down all the way into the depths of your lungs and back out again. Just focus on your breath. And keep breathing naturally. As you keep breathing in and out, start slowly counting 1 on the in-breath, 2 on the out-breath, 1 for the in-breath, 2 for the out-breath. And slowly keep counting as you breathe in and out. If you find that your mind wanders off from time to time, just gently bring it back to your breath. And don't worry, it's quite natural for the mind to do what it's used to doing. We're now gently teaching it to focus, so no rush, no stress. It's very natural at this point. Just gently bring your mind back to your breath again. One for the in-breath, two for the out. One, and then two. As air enters your body, imagine its softness filling you with calm energy. And as you breathe out, allow yourself to release any tension that you might have. Every in-breath takes in calm light, and every out-breath lets out stress. In and out. Now gently take a moment just to notice how you are feeling. How your body feels. As we keep practicing over the next several days, you'll notice that it will begin to feel more natural, easier, and deeper. And with it, you'll find more awareness in your daily activities, more calmness in your relaxation and sleep, and more joy throughout the day. And just like exercise, meditation requires practice. It teaches the mind to relax through repetition, just like repeating exercises gets our body into shape. The good news is that the mind can adjust much faster than our muscles, and the benefits come much faster, and they will grow from one session to the next. You will become calmer, more focused, and happier. Now slowly bring your attention back to your body. Start slowly moving your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Congratulations on finishing the very first session in this 7-day series. Tomorrow in session 2, I'll show you a very simple and effective way to relax your body through a technique called body scan, which will teach you to relax, focus, and pay attention to where you are right now. Now as we finish, let yourself just sit there and relax, allowing yourself to realize how good it feels to get a few minutes of relaxation. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 2.